Okay, so today we want to connect multiple Citrix sites to one storefront store. So, for example, we have three farms, three completely uh, separated sites. Each site has its own database and its own delivery group, its own hosting connection, and we want to make all those sites accessible for the users from one store. So first let me show you the three sites. So the first one is test lab, and it has two DDCs. The second one is dev, and it only has one DDC. And the third one, it's dev1db. I've named it like this because I did create the the site with one database because I will make a few videos how to upgrade if you have only one database, how to upgrade it with manual SQL scripts. So you generate SQL scripts and then you update. But this is not the discussion for now. So the three sites, um, each site has a delivery group, and I have uh, one one desktop in each site published. So in the first site is MCS Desk 01. In the second one, it's called Dev MCS Desktop, and in the third one, the desktop is called Dev1db. Okay, so let's start. We go to our only storefront. I mean, it's not the only one. There are two storefronts, but there is only one store. And this is the store. Currently, it's configured to use only the first site, so the one that has two DDCs. And now we will add two more sites just by adding the DDCs of the sites. So let's go with dev. If I can type, okay, and add HTTPS. I don't have at this moment HTTPS, only HTTP, and go with add, and the DDC is DDC03 dev, I believe, not testlab.com. Okay, and the third one, let's say dev one double, also connection through HTTP, and let's add the DDC. That one is DDC04 dev 1db. Oh, sorry. Dot testlab.com. Okay. Um, wait. Let's undo what we've done because I want to show you so that you can have a clear understanding. Let's cancel this. Let me open the store. Okay, so under desktops, you can see only one published desktop. That's from the first site. So um, it's nothing related to access or something. It's I configured all my sites with access for everyone. So I just wanted to show you before we add the other two um, sites. Okay, let's go back. Manage, add, and dev, http, add ddc 03.test.lab.com. ddc, oh, it's not ddc, only ddc, it's also dev. Okay, and the third one, dev one debo, add ddc 04, and dev, doesn't matter capital or small letter, dev one db.testlab.com. Okay, http. Okay, so we have all three sites. Okay, now because I have two storefronts, I need to propagate the change on the second one. Okay, and now let's go back to the store. I don't know if they will show up just by refreshing, but we can try. No. Okay, but let's log in. Just voila. And now we have a resource out of each site. So this is a nice thing to know. They do not teach you in the Citrix courses. So at least I did not learn about this in the basic Citrix course. I mean, I never had the chance to take an advanced course, but in the basic one, you do not see this. So this is from the first site, this is from the third site, and it is from the second site. We can also test to launch one. Let's launch this one. Okay, so everything works nice. Okay, thank you for watching.